What's going on, everyone? This is Lauren with Far Beyond Infinity, and today I'm going to be bringing you a little unboxing video. A few months ago I registered for runDisney's 2018 virtual running shorts featuring The Incredibles, and for those of you who may not know, this is a way for you to participate in a runDisney event without actually being at Disney. So with all that being said, I registered for the entire running shorts series, which is a 5K in June, July, and August, and you can register for just one of these or two, but I wanted the entire package. So let's get into this box and see what we get as a runner, or in my case a walker, for the complete series. Right when I open the box, I've got a hot cold gel pack on top. This will come in handy when I'm out in the hot North Carolina sun in July and August for my other 3.1 miles. Next, it looks like we've got our magnet that comes with the package. There's a little magnet that says I did it. Okay. Next, we've got our resistance band. It's got Elastigirl on it, and it says virtual running shorts. Alright, and next we're going to have the medals. I'm trying to get them out of the box here, and it's a little hard, so give me a sec. Alright, we've got the medals out of the box. We put the other stuff back in it, and let's get into these 4 medals that you get for completing the entire virtual running shorts series. Alright, on top we have the entire series medal. So this is what you get for completing all of the 5Ks in June, July, and August. The first one we'll point out here is Jack, and Dash. This is the August medal. So I haven't done that one yet, so I will not display it on my collection. The next one we have is Mr. Incredible, Dad, and Violet. This is the July medal. Again, haven't done that one yet either, so I'll leave it in its package. And then finally we have the June Elastigirl medal. So this is what you get for June, and when you do all 3 of them, you get all 4 medals. So I'm going to hang these up. Well, just the one for right now. Alright, so just to recap, here is everything you get in the box for completing the entire virtual running short series. We've got the resistance band, the cool pack, all 3 medals, magnet, and then the 4th complete finisher's medal for doing the whole series. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll leave a link in the description on how you can sign up for runDisney experiences yourself. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.